Hey, we're at the NESPA Full Show, JAS Aquatics. We're with Elegance and Ezra. Ezra's going to explain to us all the new products and new material that they have for the new year coming up.
Yes.
We're looking forward to it. So
yes.
Give us a little rundown of what product that's coming out.
Sure. This is natural stone marble. This is a new product. We are co-owner, and it's going to be in stock very soon, like in a month. We're going to keep the pavers, matching pool copings in stock.
It has like a grip to it.
Yes, it has sandblasted and acid wash.
Oh, that's
It's a very
interesting.
unique texture.
And so this is nice. So you don't slip on it. It's nice feeling. Beautiful.
Exactly.
And this one is called Snow Shadow?
This is Snow Shadow. It's also marble. It
Very
has
nice
sandblasted texture.
And these are the copings on the edge of the pool. You have a bullnose, and then you have a square edge with an eased edge.
Eased edge.
So that you don't get a lot of chipped corners.
Exactly.
So that's something that you guys mainly do with your product, because I haven't really seen that in a lot of other companies. The eased edge makes it so it's a lot easier, so we don't have chipped stones and unhappy customers.
Exactly.
So your product always comes delivered, organized, neat, easy deliveries. All the product is always nice. This is really cool though, very nice. And this is a big piece of the same material?
Yes, big sizes are getting popular. This is 24 by 36.
Very cool.
We can make 24 by 48 as special order, which is getting popular. We also have other new products.
Show us, bring us
Yeah.
there. So Ezra, tell us what we have here. Really, we're walking by, I feel like I'm almost in Miami. Is this what we're going for? The style, the look? Bringing a little bit to Long Island on the East Coast? Check it out.
This is actually, we can say Long Island style.
Long Island style, I like it, I love it.
It's gray and beige colors. It comes in sandblasted finish.
Very cool.
Again, it's anti-slip. We have big tiles, 24 by 36, and 6-foot long copings available.
Nice.
With eased edge.
You know what would look nice with that? Your new product that you have here. You can put some of this next to that nice white Hampton style stone.
Oh yes.
You're building a barbecue island. This is nice for paneling walls. Something new. Not a lot of people are using wood outside, but yes, again, it's not wood. It's porcelain from Italy that the owner went really hard and took a lot of time to go get. So it's been a long time in the process. We finally have some natural wood-looking stone that's out of porcelain. So Ezra, show us what you have here. This looks nice too.
Yeah, it has some color options. It comes in big planks, 24 by 48.
Very nice. That's big sizes.
Exactly.
So you could do like almost full verticals without seams, so that the lines line up and you don't really see seams.
And also this is porcelain, so it's maintenance free. So you cannot put wood outside, but you can easily put this outside.
Something that we can put in people's backyards and feel comfortable with the maintenance and the longevity, that a product that we would install in our own backyards, we can now finally install and offer it to you guys out in the field. So check out Elegance. Anything you need, Ezra's your girl. She knows everything. Any questions? She also comes with a truck. So if you're unhappy or you're not sure or you don't feel comfortable going to all the stores and going out, they can come to you. So you have to call your contractor and then they'll reach out to the contractor and we'll set up an appointment. Very nice truck. We're gonna go take a look in a minute, so we'll get back to you. But awesome stuff so far. We just walked into the trailer, which is a showroom. It's a mobile showroom. So when you come to our showroom at our store, we have a couple pieces there to check out and take a look. But more importantly, if you want to see it in your backyard and you want to feel it, we can get the showroom and the mobile showroom, I gotta say, the mobile showroom.
Yeah, we can come to your house. We can show you the material. You can touch it, feel it, how it looks. We have also a smaller version of this, so it's more practical.
And everything in here is all natural stone. So on the floor, you have porcelain, and then on the walls, you have all natural stone. You have copings on the edge here. You have your veneer stones up top. You have them in different patterns. You have them in 4x8, 4x6.
4 by mix. It comes in
So
mixed size, random size.
And then on this side, you tell us what you have here.
This is 3-size pattern. It comes in 3-inch, 6-inch, and 9-inch.
Okay.
This is also very unique. It's rake finish tile for the walls.
Could you only imagine water trickling down this with lights uplighting it at like
exactly.
when
It's
you pull through
beautiful.
like a entrance to a hotel in your own backyard? Unbelievable.
It's very contemporary, yeah.
So we're gonna go over another thing real quick. We got Ezra over here. You have bullnose coping and then your eased edge. So you have a square edge, but it's a small little 45 at the top. So again, if you're hanging out by the pool or you by mistake drop something near it, it's not going to chip the edge, and you're not going to have all your stone looking like chipped edges and roughed up.
And we also have all these colors in 2-inch slab.
2-inch
so
slabs,
we can do
very
custom
nice.
things like countertop, radius, full coping with long pieces.
Very nice. Veneer stone on the walls. This is like a little, call this like a barbecue island, right? So you're in your house, this is a mitered edge with a porcelain paver. So it's 3/4 inch, but it's mitered edge. This is all custom done on the facility that they have in-house. It's a pleasure talking to you, doing everything here at the show, and pleasure working with you. You've been excellent to deal with, and I'm excited to hear about your new things going on. You got a new store, a new showroom that you're working on?
It's my pleasure.
It's awesome.
Yeah, he's the best.
Where's your showroom
I love to
at?
work with you. We have a new showroom in New Jersey.
Okay.
We have the second warehouse. We're keeping over 2 million square feet in stock. So everybody is welcome to see
Come
it.
by and check it out. So it's your facility. You guys are gonna deck it out, make it look beautiful.
Exactly.
I can't wait to come there and check it out. You don't even need to
Exactly.
come to our showroom. You check out her showroom. It's gonna be better and nicer. So setting new trends. Check out Elegance by NT Trading.